Okay, this is Anup the Rockstar. I'm gonna make you an excellent cappuccino. The best. Yes. Anup. Okay, okay. Born in Nepal, raised in India.
I'm born in India. Born in India.
Yeah. Okay. Now, all right. Okay, now. Okay. You take out the chocolate and all right. That's the way it is. Okay. All right. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. All right. Now, I'm gonna make a decoration for that. An excellent decoration. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. You can see the real artist. It's only here. Oh, what you make? Oh, he make a flower. Zoom with a tree heart. All right, that's it. Okay, finish.
Thank you.
Welcome.